83% of children in Israel live with the scar of trauma. Our children experience nightmares and uncertainty every single day. We had a deluge of rockets and bombardments everywhere in Israel. Nowhere it was safe. Places that we never knew that there would be bombs and that would need to build shelters were needed right now. WIZO went into the task of making sure that our children, our youth, our women, our people were safe. WIZO has been able to build 50 life-saving bomb shelters in our youth villages, in our schools, in our daycare centers, and in our different WIZO centers across Israel.
What does WIZO do for our children?
At WIZO, we are dedicated to protect, heal, and keep our children safe. We're providing therapy, education, support, and emotional resilience. WIZO is rebuilding lives. We're shaping a brighter, more hopeful future for children.
We're not only helping our students survive, but we're helping them thrive.
Together, we are building dreams.
I dream for the children of Israel to be successful.
I dream of starting my own business.
I dream of being a member of Kesher.
I dream of being a songwriter.
I dream of teaching my students a love of Israel.
My dream for the kids in Israel is for them to feel safe.
I dream of making my room my home.
I dream of building a new garden.
I dream of protecting our country.
I dream of being a soccer player.
I dream of being an actress.
I dream of being a programmer.
I dream of a future where I can help people.
I dream for everyone to know about WIZO.
WIZO shapes the future of Israel brick by brick, dream by dream.
Building what we lost.
Building our safety. Building our dreams.
Together, we are building a brighter future for Israel.
We can all help Israel make the dream come true.
Together, we're building dreams.